Okie dokie. So, what is up? It's been a wee bit, but there are some songs I'm gonna show, mainly to show what I made, and also I need to. I don't know. I mean, I made them, but there's a chance there'd be copyright. I really don't know. So I think this one. This was in the trailer. Hopefully this isn't. I don't know how loud it's gonna be. Anyways. Before I started though, FL Studio, like, demons, please, like, calm down. Like, I just learned how to do this in, like, I don't know, maybe a week, and then I spent, like, a day on each beat about. I have, like, 5 beats for my game. Now I think, then I'll get more into the game after I show off all the songs, but yeah, basically these made with very little experience. I kind of just figured out what I'm doing, but I still think they turned out pretty decent for learning at, so I'll play like some of it. Ooh, I can turn it up a little. So that's that one. I think you can listen to like the whole thing on the trailer, or if you get the game. This is gonna be this is the boss one I made. Oh shoot, that is quite zoomed in, honestly, I forget what some of these sound like myself, but this one was pretty cool. Hopefully it sounds spooky and scary. Or wait, no, not the boss one, I lied. So that's that one. And I guess now I'm like halfway through showing these off. I'll say, I guess, how I did it. I don't know. Maybe FL Studio Pros probably do it a little differently, but from what I figured out, I just literally, I downloaded like millions of instruments just by clicking on like Reddit posts that had instruments, and then now I own like crazy cool instruments. Like, this is some Tyler the Creator stuff. So yeah, a lot of the stuff I got was like from rappers. That's why some of the beats sound I don't know, opium and all that, but they're pretty cool. I don't know, I found some. I think that one was pretty retro gamey. I don't know how well the songs fit with the theme. That's I'm getting into with that. But anyways, in terms of like making the songs, every instrument I basically just made a pattern, and then I just slid it in so that I could mix and match like different ones like pretty easily. because then I just had to make like a few patterns, and then I just had to drag and drop them all in there. That made them all match together really easily. And whatever this is, like the darker notes and the lighter notes, that saved me. Basically anything that was on the lighter notes actually sounded good. And I think you can like change where the black notes and white notes are located. But yeah, if anyone's trying to figure out how to make these beats, this one I think actually is the boss, so hopefully this one does sound spooky and scary. Yep, this one's right. So that's the scary spooky dookie boss. Now I'll do this one. Anyway, I don't know, like I feel like the first two I showed, those are the two I'm most proud of, but these two are kinda sorrier. That's why it's called Kinda Sorry. No, this one? One of my friends said this one was good, so maybe this one is good. Anyways, the boss one plays when the boss fight happens. The other ones just play randomly. I think the second one I played, that's the victory song. And then there's 3 songs that just play randomly when you walk into any room. And that's that one. And you can hear these like fully in the game. I just don't want to spend that much time looking at them. And then yeah, this one's supposedly, I don't know, my family said that it sounds like some type of mystery Among Us or something because of these ones right here. These notes that are just going. But it's pretty epic. I think, hold up, I'm going to play, there's one more I made that was like on a different program. It was basically, someone from my family actually made it, or I helped, like we both made it together, conjoined effort basically, mainly because this is also a song that's in the game. Boom. Let's see. Oh, yup, it's playing. This one's like the most chill one. So that's how I made the music on the actual like programs. Now here we are here on Godot. How did I do it in here? I honestly forgot. Anyways, FL Studio Pros again. Please don't be like dissing me too bad. Oh god. I played piano when I was little, so hopefully I had enough experience to make that not sound terrible. But in my head it sounded decent. And on my next game it'll be absolutely fire. That's for sure. Okay, what am I looking for? Okay. So I had a sound manager singleton. Oh, and then for all my sound effects, because I guess this video is going to be how I got all my sound effects done. I just went to Kenny and opengameart.org, those two places, and I just got super cool amounts of sounds. So I have enemy hit sounds, player hit sounds. Oh, it's just one for the player. I have a buy sound, a money drop sound, an item drop sound, bullet sound, player death sound, enemy death sound. For the enemies, I have them in an array. Picks just a random one. I got into sound design way too late in the game, I can't lie. So everything, okay, I just have two audio stream players that are made through the singleton so that sounds can still like play through scenes if like a song is playing. But also every new room you walk in, a new song kind of plays. Just to like switch things up. I don't know. I don't know how well I did this. I really, personally, sound design isn't the biggest, most important thing for me. I mute most of the games that I play unless like the songs are really good or it's like for the game. But I still think I did decent enough on the sound. That's all I really got about. Anyways, so then I have another singleton called my signal manager. What on earth is this? Oh, okay, so I just made a signal. And then on my settings, I like connect to these so that you can hear a sound effect when you're changing the volume, and like it'll actually change the volume basically for the settings. And then for connect play song, I think every room you walk in it will emit that signal so that a new song plays. And then play sound effect. This is why the sound, I didn't really do it in the best way, since there's only one sound effect and I didn't want to have a new sound note on every single thing that was emitting sound. They're all playing sound from one thing, so like multiple sounds can't really play at once, I guess, if that makes sense. Or I think, yeah. Anyway, so like whenever an enemy gets hit, it'll emit a signal to play a hit sound using like this function. When you first open the game, it'll play a random one of the three songs. Oh, my dogs, they're barking. These are what the functions look like. Picks a random. I didn't know this function existed, and I could have used that so much more, honestly. But yeah. Also, I'd like to say, I think the game. Okay, I think the game's gonna come out really soon. I really want to start working on something else. Well, not something. I don't know. I just want to start making another game. Again, this was kind of like a practice project to learn things with, and I learned a lot. Yesterday, I was kind of tweaking out because I needed to build the game for Steam, and it wasn't saving at all. And then I found out all of it was just because I forgot to put one of the add-ons I have. I guess it has like a file that needed to be in the folder. Spending hours just to find out that was the problem was slightly embarrassing, but we got there eventually. Anyways, I think I also haven't shown this, but there are settings now. I'll turn on the audio again, just because. Anyways, so the volume, it emits the signal over and over. sound effect, it'll play a sound effect every time you move it so that you know how loud it is. That sound effect is honestly kind of ear piercing, but it's fine. I made any then I have video settings. Let me do window resolutions. I don't know. Again, I didn't really know how well I did this, but it's working. That's all that. I don't know, and it works on Steam too, so that's what made me pretty happy. There's still a few bugs I need to like fix up, but here's the game with sound effects for like, I don't know, a minute or two. Yeah, this is way too long, I can't lie. I have a video. Whoopsie daisies. Ooh, shit. I also added camera shake, as you can see. And yeah, honestly, okay, the video is like way longer than I was expecting it to be. But anyways, that's basically everything. Give me your feedback, what you think and stuff. Tell me if I just hurt your ears and that was the sorriest thing you've heard, or like what. Also, I'll just show this off real quick. Right. So this was my sorry code for how I was creating game data and saving it and all that. I don't know. This was honestly, I hate file coding. I'm really bad at this, but it ended up working. That's all I really care about. So, yeah. If anyone, that's a little bonus there, you know. If anyone wants to know how to save data in the sorriest way possible, where I save each variable individually. Anyways, thank you guys. For anyone who actually made it this far, thank you so much for watching. The game is probably gonna release in like the next week or two, and I don't know, maybe I got some giveaway keys that I can give away. Maybe I will do some epic giveaway or something. We will see though. And yeah, when it comes out, I'm gonna probably be fixing bugs, but then it's time for the next game I've been already idea making for. And the next game is gonna be absolutely crazy. I just know that, basically. Anyways, thank you guys. Oh, that was loud. Anyways, bye-bye.